Welcome to version 2 of Contento. We are super excited to have this version live. We've made some huge improvements based on a lot of feedback from our customers and our publishers. The new workflow is really about creating campaigns. And in those campaigns, you can select multiple publishers and push out those articles, all under the one campaign. So it's a nice sort of easy way to process it. And it's a really good workflow, especially for agencies. So without further ado, I will jump in and show you the new workflow and how you can use it within your business. All right, so when you first get into Contento, you'll be able to create a campaign. So campaign is, let's say you've got a new summer product range coming out and you want to talk about that throughout different media. So all we do here is we select the brand. So you can create a new brand or you can set yours up here, easy. We're going to call this Summer Range 2020. So we're creating that campaign that's coming together. The next thing we do in that campaign is we select the publishers that we would like to target. So I know that there's a few off my top of my head that I'm going to go through and select. If I don't, I can always use the side panel here. We can go into health and wellness. We can go into business, whatever is applicable to us. And I can go through and I can select a bunch of publishers that I believe would be best for my articles. Now, here you can also see the domain authority. You can get the price for each of them, page authority, trust lead. You've got the sessions, the primary country or readership, all the information you need to make a decision on, if that publisher is going to be right for your articles. So once you've selected a bunch of articles, or a bunch of publishers, and you can select as many as you want on this. You could select 5, you could select 25, 55, whatever you want. I can hit next, and this is adding those publishers into my campaign. Now I've got my campaign here. I've got 4 publishers selected. Up the top, I can see the total sessions that if I got all of these articles out, I'd see the total sessions that I'm hitting. That's my total reach, I guess. The total cost. So this would be the cost involved in this campaign if I got all of them. So I'm going to go through and you can see here the publishers, the list of publishers that I've selected. The first one here is Remix Magazine, domain authority 44. We can see the sessions and everything. The price here is $500. I'm fine with that. It's a really good publication to get into. Now, I've got the option of either adding my own article into here, a pre-written one that I've already done, or I can choose to order an article. Now, to order an article, you can choose to do 750 words or 1,500 words. All you need to do is fill out a couple of details in a form, and we send through the publisher specifications as well as your specifications on the type of article you're wanting, and within sort of 5 to 7 days you'll have back that article in here ready to be pushed out to that publisher. So I'm going to go through and add my own article in. So here I can see the full specifications of the publisher. I can see the requirements and also their details. And then I can go through and copy and paste my article into here. Now, once I've done that, I can hit the offer to publisher, and that will push my article straight through to the publisher. Now, remember, you can always upload your media as well. So you upload your images. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see that article loaded up on here. And that's been pushed out to the publisher and it is ready to go. Once it's accepted, you'll be then prompted to pay. And then that money will go through the publisher once the live article is up. So it's really, really simple. The new workflow really is about creating a campaign for a particular brand and then selecting a bunch of publishers and then aligning the articles to each publisher. So it gives you a whole overview of the total publishers, the total reach, the total cost of that campaign. So really good for agencies, really nice workflow, really, really simple.